Hey guys, for today's video I have some tasks. Let's write a list for that. I need to make a tool trolley to store all my working tools and screws I've gathered for all my projects. Then I need new work trestle, cause my old ones are not as good anymore. I need to fix our rainwater drainage. And then I need a music track for that video. Music track. So, and I think let's start with the music track. First task done. So let's move on to the next task, the tool trolley. And woo! This is the finished trolley. It has a lot of those drawers to store whatever I like. Here a little compartment and that big lockable for all the boxes. A really special thing is part here for long tools, and here an easy access to plug in electricity and so on. Here holes for easy transportation, and on the bottom wheels. I would say this is finished. Let's move on to the treadles. Here, my old ones. Little and not very sturdy. And here, ta-da, the new ones. Really sturdy and massive and really good to work. I would say this task is done. So the last thing who is missing is the rainwater drainage. And you can see over here it is too low. It needs to go a little more up. Let's do it. And on this point in the video I cut the metal hooks a little shorter with my flex, but I forgot to film it. I would say this next task is done. So, my task list is completed. And I thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and we see us in another video. Bye.